Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock various characters on the Tekken 3 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Tekken 3 game on your PC already, then make sure you watch our video on how to do that first. Now after you have installed the game and you are ready to play, you will find that not all the characters have been unlocked in the game. So in order to proceed with unlocking all of the characters, all you need to do is beat the game using each unique character once in the story mode. Just proceed with playing the story mode and beat the game once using any character. Once you beat the game once, you will unlock a new character that you can use to play the game. You can repeat this process by using different characters for the game, and with each different character that you use to beat the game, you will unlock an additional character and increase the total number of roster. To unlock all of the characters, you will need to beat the game with all of the characters in the story mode at least once. Once you do this, all of your characters will be unlocked. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlock all characters in the Tekken 3 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.